now you are going to dream big. ትልቅ በትልቁ ታስባለህ፣ በትልቁ ግብ ታስቀምጣለህ፣ በትልቁ ትመኛለህ። but um, encourage growth, work hard, embrace failure, develop self-discipline, learn from elders. Dream big, but start small. Yeah. So we can re-engineer or make our mindset again bright, again young enough. We can make our personality, we can make our physical, we can make our thinking, we can make our moral to as great as young, as great as young. እንደ ማንኩሳ እኔ